Are you one of those long-time FOMO sufferers? Because 7, 8 years ago, when I made a few hundred mallets, you missed out on acquiring one. And then, when I came out with the second version a few months ago, you went to my website as fast as you could and found them already out of stock. Afterwards, you got super annoyed because when I did a third production run, you were on vacation and didn't get an announcement. So they were sold out already by the time you got back. Well, don't you worry your pretty little head, because I managed to somehow find a little bit of time last week to batch out the last dozen I'll probably be doing for quite a little while, because I got other stuff to do. So consider this your last opportunity to tell your spouse to go to wortheffort.com to get yourself the original Worth the Effort kinetic manipulator, ergo pounder, bench beater, handheld whacker, chisel whopper, and try grip masher. A tool you'll probably keep at your workbench for your entire career, because the design doesn't get in the way of a mallet's kinetic function. Available while supplies last at wortheffort.com or a link below.